Welcome to Boulder, Colorado. We're Travuti Destinations, and we just arrived to downtown Boulder, to this historic hotel, and we're just going to be here for a couple of nights and checking out the hotel and the Boulder scene. And we actually just checked into the presidential suite and just wanted to give a quick little tour, a room sweep of what it looks like in here so you guys can take a look. This is a historic hotel, so you're going to find a lot of preserved history here, and it really shows in the furnishings and the decor that they have, but also, you know, keeping up with the times and making sure that you are also comfortable you know, with all of the amenities as well, the modern amenities as well. But you know, they don't make things like they used to anymore, and you know, just the quality and the craftsmanship that comes into the details of these the furnitures and the framework and the artwork, and even the wallpapering of this place have been wonderfully preserved. This is the living area here, with the Victorian style decor, and it's very spacious, as you can see. So it's just going to be Mike and I exploring this weekend, and this is plenty of room for us here. It's nice here. I really like the granite throughout. Hello. They give you plenty of water, and which is so necessary in this elevation. Refrigerator over here. Sitting area so you can, you know, play games, eat if you want. They have in-room dining, plenty of seating, so definitely bring some guests or friends up. We have them in the area. That's good. You can play your tunes in the Sony station over there. Let's take a look at the views over here. The downtown area. Skirts there. The location's very ideal. It's close to all of the restaurants and shopping and a lot of hiking as well. They do valet here as well as self-parking. What's really nice about this particular hotel was that in Boulder, back in the early 1900s, it didn't have a luxury hotel. So the owners decided that it needed one, and this was the first luxury hotel built in Boulder, and it opened on New Year's Eve in 1908. So we're in the bedroom now here, and it's spacious as well. And I love all of these windows. It really opens up the room for it to be bright and airy. Wonderful views as well. And just nice firm bed on here. Appreciate the details of the linens. And I really love these mountain views over here. So we'll be, yeah, that's really nice. So we'll be hitting up those trails either today or tomorrow and explore the downtown scene. They have a restaurant called Spruce in here. That's fine dining, and can't wait to try that tonight as well. Yeah, there's plenty of space here. There's actually two closets, so you have closet right here and a closet right there, because sometimes these older buildings kind of lack that closet space, but this particular room has plenty of stuff for plenty of room for your stuff, so I don't have to worry about that. But I like to pack light anyway, so it's just convenient to have, probably in the winter time when you have to lug more stuff on there. It's a nice touch though. I like having really nice bath amenities. I happen to use Aveda myself, so this is a great choice. I personally appreciate this. And everything is super clean as far as like COVID and like pandemic stuff. We're here in September. and everything has been good, very well cleaned and maintained. You can actually get room service only if you want to, as far as like well, cleaning service daily if you wish. But if you're not comfortable with that, then they don't have to come in if you don't want to. Yep, so that's the bathroom there. I love all these mirrors all along there. I mean, it really helps. Hello. You know. Yep. So this is the presidential suite at the Hotel Boulderado. I highly recommend a historic tour of the hotel with Laurel. She was amazing. We did like an hour tour with her about the hotel, and she is a historian and just knew everything about how this was built, about the owners, about the management, about all of the beautiful original pieces of furniture, unique decor, framework, all of that stuff. Like, it's just really, really cool. There were like these beautiful handmade fans and stuff that she showed us. But if you're into that type of thing and luxury, this is like history meets luxury. And it's a very unique experience. You can tell just by walking through this hotel just how many stories, and that has happened here. So there's a lot to see and do. This is a presidential suite at the Hotel Boulderado. Room 505, top floor. Yeah, encourage you to take a look if you're ever in the Boulder area and looking for a place to stay.